You know what I absolutely love about Huawei? It's the fact that they've always been ahead of their time. As a brand, Huawei consistently brings something new to the table, stuff that's not even available in the market yet. And here's the crazy part, sometimes it takes years for the competition to catch up and bring those same features to their own devices. Well, a familiar thing is happening this time too. So, according to the latest news, Huawei is now rumored to launch a new triple folding phone next year to the market. Again, many tech vendors are still considering launching a tri-folding in the market, but the Huawei Mate developer is in rumor for another 3-screen device, which is crazy. Well, the Chinese phone maker unveiled the Huawei Mate XT, the tri-folding handset, in September this year. The device impressed users with its unique triple folding design and AI features. Now, Huawei is rumored to launch a new triple folding next year with better improvements. Tipster SmartPikachu says that the tech giant will continue to update its tri-folding lineup. A new netizen speculated the device name as the Huawei Mate XT 2. Some people even stated that the company may fill all the improvements voids in the Mate XT with the next generation tri-fold. One can expect stronger architecture and enhanced durability with the rumored triple folding smartphone. Anyway, the thing is, Huawei hasn't confirmed the latest news. Hence, it is unclear if the company will unveil any such device in the future or not. On the flip side, global consumers still awaits the Huawei Mate XT experience on their hands. Thus, let's wait for the official inputs. With that being said, apart from Huawei, many other tech makers are planning to join the tri-folding race. Samsung and Huawei were competing for the world's first tri-folding maker crown, though the latter firm took the lead while the former is still preparing one. Xiaomi and Honor are also on the triple folding phone making list. Input revealed that Honor will likely unveil its first tri-folding smartphone in the first quarter of the 2025. But Huawei, on the other hand, is planning to develop the second generation of the same handset, which is crazy. So what do you think about it? Well, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.